Start from now.
Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay friends, in this time, in this moment, in this afternoon, I'm gonna explain to you about radio.
Evening.
Okay, the radio is the tool. Okay, in the air, in our life, in our environment, there's a voice, there's a sound that carried on by radio waves. The radio waves are there everywhere. Okay, and then you cannot see or feel the radio waves. You only can hear it when you turn on your radio. You got it? Okay. How does a radio work? There are two kinds of radio. The first is portable radio and clock radio. You need electricity for using radio, but a portable radio did not using electricity, but it is battery for working. And the clock radio is you may use it to work by the electric cord that connected into the electrical outlet in the wall. The radio have a button, the button to switch on or off, and also the button that arranges the volume of the radio. And also they have a wire antenna that grabbing the radio waves from the air. How the radio waves get into the air? The first is the radio station spread the radio waves by the electrical signals through the wire that called antenna. And then the antenna from the radios, in the antenna, the electrical signals is turned into the radio waves, and then it shows by the voice or sounds in the radio. There are two kinds of radio. The first radio waves. The first is AM radio, and the second is FM. AM radio is more better, is farther than FM. But FM.
Yes, that's right.
No, AM radio is work farther.
Yeah.
But FM radio have a clearer sound than AM radio. Some radio can grabbing these two waves, but some other just can grab one. Okay, next, two-way radio. So the one-way radio is the radio that only working in one way. So the broadcast the sound, and then the listener hear the voice. But in the two-way, you can feedback your voice into the people that talking to you. So it means that you are also communicating by radio. The firefighters and police officers use the two-way radio for communicating, and also the soldiers that work in the battlefields use radio for communicating each other. And the cell phones and wireless computers. The cell phone send your call into the people who you wants to call by radio waves. So the radio waves, when you are calling your families or your friends in your village or in far places, the one who sending your voice are radio waves. So even in the ship or in the way, you can still communicate each other because the radio waves are everywhere. And also the wireless computers, you can hook up into the internet without look into the telephones, because the radio waves can make the wireless computers get on the internet. So there's the special antenna that connecting computers to the internet, like that. And the next point is other ways use radio. The first is radar. Radar in airplanes and in the ships. So without radar, the airplanes or ships will walk in the wrong way. So the radar means the compass. And who hold the radar? Okay, the manager of radar is the controller that stay in the airport or in the airborne. So when there is no radio waves, the airplanes or ships will lost way, or they will lost in the way, like that. And next is radio telescopes. The scientists take the pictures in the deep space, or they using the radio waves to explore the deep space. And also the astronaut communicate with the controller in the universe by radio waves. And the doctors use the MRI machines by radio waves to take the pictures from of the people's inside the body, human body. And then for who invented radio? Okay, in the 800, the scientists inventions to make discoveries that led them to inventing radio. In 1895, Guglielmo Marconi is the first people who sending the voice starts by message telegraph.
Yeah,
So in the
telegraph.
past, people have used message telegraph to send message, but Marconi is the first people who sending voice by the message telegraph. Although the sound is just clicks, but he is the first people who can send the voice by the message telegraph use the radio waves. And then this is so important because the ships in the sea where they are want to sinking, they can sending information for the people in the harbor that they are in danger use telegraph message. Nah, and then in 1920, the scientists or the broadcaster begin to broadcasting programs such as music and news and other programs. So the famous gathering in the make a circle in the radios for hearing the news that broadcast by the broadcaster. Okay, this is the end of my explanation. So it means that radio waves are very important to our daily activity and our life because without radio waves we cannot communicate to each other. Okay, I think that's enough from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi